So I just got done putting together this Oklahoma Joe's Rider DLX pellet smoker, and wanted to share some of my first impressions. First off, this thing is massive. It is just an absolute beast, but I'll go through a couple of the features that I thought were really great. There is a ton of attention to detail on this baby. So first off, you can see there's some of that signature Oklahoma Joe's look and feel with the wagon wheels. Look inside of this thing too, it's just huge. Ton of shelf space. I think there's over 1,000 square inches of cooking capacity. That huge circular cast iron grate is a sear plate, which you can also open and close, make it from smoke to sear. So I'm pretty excited about that. Having the ability to sear multiple items at the same time is going to be really nice. A couple other details here. Some hooks that were included in there that are permanently attached. You got 2 drip pans. You've got an ash clean out, which is something that I haven't seen before. Another nice detail, a bucket for storage of your pellets. And that's also where they will drop in inside of your hopper. This says it can hold 20 pounds of pellets. We'll see once we actually put them in there. But to empty into that bucket, all you gotta do is just release that little handle and it drops it down there. You got some nice dials here. Be able to control your temperatures in 25-degree increments between, I'm guessing lows probably around 170 to 180, all the way up to 300, and then low, medium, high for searing. Some timers, some openings to put some probes in there as well. And then comes with another meat probe. And this little tool is pretty sweet as well. Something you can use to get the grill off when it's hot. So pretty excited to try this thing out, but I figured to give a quick run through before giving it its first burn off. So we'll let you know how the results are.